Another thing I would like to show you guys is adding the right sound effects to a particular clip. Let's use this for example. This is what I want to show you guys. So like I said, let's use this for example. You bring this, then you bring this splash sound. You bring this splash sound. Then you play this video. You play this video. You see it doesn't have a sound, but we want to include this splash sound. So let's see. Yes, this is where the splash sound starts. Where the splash starts. This is where the splash starts from this side of the video. Let's see. So you just have to be thorough. You see? Let me try it again. Exactly. So you have to time when the ice hits the drink. This is it. You see, now there's no sound. Here is not perfect. So this is the perfect place to put that sound. That is the splash sound. Good. So that is just what I want to show you guys, because being a producer is not easy. You have to think. Yes, you have to think, but it's quite fun once you learn this.